last quarter saw a bigger percentage increase in sales than its crosstown rivals. Chrysler sales were up 32% for May a year ago. Driving some of those sales were continued incentives, including 0% financing for 60-month loans. At Ford, sales were up 22%. Ford also said it would stop building vehicles under the Mercury brand, which has been around for more than 7 decades. The decision to kill Mercury is the latest consolidation in a crowded marketplace. In the last year, General Motors decided to get rid of Saab, Saturn, Hummer, and Pontiac. But even with the loss of half its brands, GM posted a 17% sales increase last month. Frank Langford, NPR News, Washington.
Pending home sales rose in April. National Association of Realtors said the pending home sales index was up 6%. The strong homes numbers played well on Wall Street. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 225 points today. The Nasdaq rose 58 points. You're listening to NPR. The former chairman of the Florida GOP is under